Hey guys, welcome back to Alibaba.com Insider. This is Shaz.
This is Sunny.
So we're in March right now, and if you have visited Alibaba.com recently, you might have seen something called March Expo, and a lot of people may wonder, what is March Expo? Why don't we talk a little bit about that?
Yeah, March Expo is an online sourcing event that we have every year, and March is such a great time. It's spring. It's a great time for businesses to source new products and check out some of the new products that are available on Alibaba.com. And March Expo is a great event for that. And we also have some great incentives as well, right, Chess?
Yeah, we do. So we're excited about the incentive we have this year. So one of the great things is, if you place an order with your credit card as a new buyer, we will waive your credit card fee up to $20. And also, we cover 50% off shipping through Express, shipping from China to the US. So if you're based in the US, this is really great for you. What else do we have?
We also have weekly deals starting at 30% off, and this is where a lot of new products are being put on sale every day, every week. And you can also take advantage of things like low minimum order quantity, which is again great for small business owners who don't have to purchase orders for 50 or more. You can source as low as 1 or 2. And we also have quick dispatching, usually within 24 hours.
So this is a really great opportunity for a small business owner to test new market and test new product. Essentially, if you think about expanding a new product line, we'll have to put more money up front, right? Make use of March Expo with all the benefits and incentive that we offer to lower your risk.
Absolutely, and I think we gave a lot of information in terms of what March Expo is, but let's quickly walk you through exactly what it is like to source a product and what does low MOQ and shipping mean. So we'll walk you through a quick product checkout process, and so you can see exactly how easy it is.
Alright guys, so this is the Alibaba.com homepage. Essentially, you will see the March Expo campaign right here.
Yep, so we're on the homepage, and as you can see, all sorts of categories here. You can simply scroll through the homepage banners. What we'll do is we'll just click on the March Expo logo here, and that takes us to the March Expo landing page. First thing we see is new products for March Expo. As we scroll down, we see the weekly deals that we just covered, where there are minimum order quantities that are lower, fast dispatching. But in this case, let's look at some of the new products that are available. And I think this is a great opportunity for small business owners, entrepreneurs to really see what types of products are available. I think a lot of times scrolling through these products also sort of helps. As we go through here, I'm a tech nerd, so I love gadgets. And in this case, I see, looks like earbuds, minimum order quantities, 2 packs, new design. I'm interested, let's click on it. Perfect. So yeah, these are Bluetooth wireless earbuds with a charging case. And now, as you can see, the video started playing. Images are available, but also there are videos, which gives you a little bit more in depth in terms of what these products are like.
Yeah, I think this is great. Hey Sunny, before you throw down, I have a question. You see that the corner of the description, it says ready to ship. What is it?
Yeah, that's a great point. So ready to ship means that the item is in stock and is available for fast dispatch. And usually the orders can be dispatched within 24 hours, kind of like what we talked about. And I think that's another benefit of March Expo, that you do have this advantage. This also qualifies for a supplier coupon. Here it says you can get $300 off if you place an order larger than 10,000. So again, right now we're talking about starting small. So I can order 2 to 9 packs. Minimum order quantity is 2 at $25.99. But again, if I ordered over 500, the price drops down significantly. This also shows a different payment types that can be accepted here, since this is a trade assurance order. So again, we're doing one of the silver, one of the red, $51.98. I'm going to hit start order. And once I click that, the next page should show me an order screen. So again, number 1 is place order, payment, shipment information, and your receipt confirmation is pretty straightforward. So here, this again shows me that I'm ordering 1 in red, 1 in silver, $25.99 each. My total comes to $51.98. And if I wanted to do any smaller customization here, like logos or so on, I can also include that in. Shipping is express, which means it's going to be air shipment. Here it's going to be free because that's part of the promotion with this specific product, so I pay absolutely zero for shipping. If I have any remarks in terms of shipment, anything that I want the supplier to place on the order, I can also fill that information in here. And my total for this is $51.98, and all I do is I hit place order and I go directly to the payment screen, which comes up. And a good news for everyone, obviously I'm an existing user, I've placed orders before, so if you're a new user, you've never placed an order on Alibaba.com, during March Expo, if you link your MasterCard or Visa, you qualify for that transaction fee of up to $20. But in the US only, we have a special for existing Alibaba users. So if you use a MasterCard, and you can also qualify for that $20. It has to be a US issued MasterCard and applies to buyers in US only.
So hopefully you guys find this episode helpful to you and can give you a little bit more understanding of what is March Expo and how can you, being a small business owner, can be benefit from sourcing in March on Alibaba.com. And let's not forget, March Expo will end on March 31st, 2019. Click the link below this video and you can take you right to the landing page. Until next time, this is
Sunny.
This is Shaz again. Bye guys.
We'll see you next time.